Wow, once again we are here, ready to work out. We want you to join us. It's very important. Health is wealth, remember. Also remember to drink a lot of water and pull in your stomach when you are working out. Please, I want you to say, my friends, can you say hello to the people?
Good morning. It's Wednesday. Come, let's do this.
Sharks and Cleo are ready. I am ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Right, we're going to do the bridge today.
Okay, the bridge. This one is called the bridge. Remember to put in your stomach.
Okay. You make sure your feet are grounded and your legs.
Can you see? We are lifting our bums up, squeezing them, pulling in the stomach, and putting your arms down.
Don't block your airways. Make sure you keep your chin, keep breathing.
Yes.
And now, guys, let's lift our right leg.
Okay.
For how long? For 10?
9.
Okay. And now, and now we lift up the left leg.
It has to be equal with this leg.
That's correct. And keep
not so high, not so low, but make sure it's on the same level with the thighs. Pull in your stomach. Okay.
And then you can still hold for the bridge.
Okay.
Another 10.
Hold for the bridge.
Squeeze as hard as you can up.
10 seconds.
7.
Oh, guys, it really works. I'm feeling it.
Right now, guys, we're going to do the bicycle.
Okay.
I have a bad back, so I'm going to place my hands under my lower spine. And we're going to keep knees up.
Okay.
And we don't just do this.
You can use 2 legs.
You can do 2 legs, Joe.
Okay.
But make out like you're pushing something with your legs, so you're
right.
resisting something. So work your stomach and also your legs.
That's right.
And enjoy. This is a really nice one.
I know it is. Whew. 2 legs.
Yep.
It's really hard work.
It sure is.
Not easy. See, I'm pulling in my stomach. And if you get tired, you can do like Shakira and clear doing.
This hurts.
Using 1 leg.
Make sure you breathe.
That's right.
And just focus and concentrate on what you're doing.
Always remember to contact your doctor before you do some of these exercises.
Guys, I'm done. I'm hurting.
Okay. Let's just do one bridge
One
again.
more bridge. This is a really nice stretch as well.
Yeah.
It's not just toning.
We are doing the bridge again.
Yoga.
Hold your bum. Pull in your stomach. Squeeze the entire body and relax. If possible, put on a smile.
Yeah.
Oh,
Exercising is fun.
Yeah, it is.
And again, as Joe says, do this for 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes, and remember to jog as well. This alone is not enough. Try to jog. If you can't jog, go for a brisk walk. Don't walk as if you are going on a party, but please walk fast and make sure your heart rate goes up.
Carry loads of water with you.
That's right. That's right. Wow. This is great. Okay. Here we go.
Are we going to do our cycle?
Okay, let's do the cycle
one more time.
Okay. I'll do the 2 legs. If you don't have a bad back, you can do what I'm doing. Lift your bum. Working on the legs and the bum. Okay, remember I said if you can't do it for long, don't get discouraged. Just do the cycle once.
That's right.
Like,
you bend your knees, Joe.
Or you leave it straight.
Yeah.
Either way.
That's correct.
Okay.
Guys, enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy. Make it fun. Encourage you can work with your partner. God bless you. Thank you.
Bye.